Did you know that over 50% of relationships fail within the first 2 years? The question is, why? Is love just an illusion? Or are we all making the same critical mistakes? Most relationships don't end because of one big fight or a lack of love. They crumble slowly, like a sandcastle washed away by tiny waves of neglect, misunderstanding, and unmet expectations. In today's video, we're gonna go through everything related to relationships. And to begin with, here are the 3 main reasons relationships fail. Number 1, poor communication. The number 1 relationship killer, it's poor communication. It's not about how much you talk, it's about how you talk. Most people listen to respond, not to understand. Next time your partner shares something with you, repeat back what they said in your own words before replying. It shows you're truly listening. Number 2, emotional neglect. At the start, we shower our partners with love, compliments, and effort. But over time, we stop doing what we once did to win them over. That's how love fades. Not overnight, but little by little. Try to schedule relationship check-ins once a week and ask each other, how are we doing? What can we do better? That might help you track the progress of your relationship. Number 3, unresolved conflicts. Small problems don't stay small. Left unresolved, they pile up into resentment. Before you know it, one tiny argument about dishes will turn into, "You never care about me." Learn to fight fair. Focus on the issue, not the person. And instead of, "You never help," try, "I feel overwhelmed when I have to do everything alone." Better. Now I'm gonna give you suggestions on how to build a lasting relationship. You have to know that the strongest relationships are not perfect. They're just built on strong habits. And here are 3 simple habits for a healthy relationship. Number 1, express gratitude daily. Say thank you, even for small things. Appreciation fuels love. Number 2, never stop dating. Keep the spark alive by making intentional effort, no matter how long you've been together. Number 3, apologize and forgive quickly. Ego kills love. Don't let small fights turn into permanent scars. Relationships don't fail because of the lack of love, but they fail because of the lack of effort. So, which of these mistakes have you seen in relationships? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more self-improvement and personal growth content. See you in the next one.